They have been doing so all match. But it's all about being clinical in front of goals. And it's the Somalians who have shown them how to do that. The 3 points could be vital in this encounter. Both sides know, especially after that 3-0 result by Senegal against hosts Algeria. He's already been shown a booking for this as Aaron Manyongi comes through against man. Manyongi, the FC Jean player. He's already been shown a booking for this game, and that does mean that he will be missing that third against Algeria.
صاحب يا لسك صنقة وناكسن برنامج كنا شير قرياس أصحاب بدن إنه كارسيا سعيد بدن وكارت إن شاء الله.
A bit of a waste, really. Abdirahman Abdallah. Now the Congo do come through. A lot of angry voices. Bienvenue Bezinga. First man. Bezinga. Just not getting his head up, but he does win his team a corner. It's going to be taken by Geltani Bantiele. Doesn't reach going through the regional past the first man. Somalia clear it out. Well, both these teams have had to qualify the hard way, coming through their regional qualifiers. Somalia doing extremely well. That won't please any of the teams or the coaches, the team members or coaches of Somalia. A very basic error there, but I'm sure one that he can learn from. Abdullah. And the Congo just letting the ball run out of play from that resultant throw-in. Mohammed looking long, but it comes to the Congolese men instead. And Abdullah just pulled back by his man there. Abigat Simba. His second name is Wumba, and that's why he does have it on his shirt. Zuzi with the same name, and they've been causing the Somalians all kinds of problems, and yet just unable to find the goal. As it is, it's 1-0. Somali looking to play it out, and the Congo just putting pressure on the back line. Safety first from Abdirahman Abdallah. Once again, on second viewing, having to do some decent heading there. The Congo, it nearly dropped for them, the ball. Bunga with a long-range effort. And he does get a deflection. Well, on second viewing, it was actually closer to the upright post than it seemed. But Mohammed certainly had it all figured out. As the ball does come in again from the Congo. Abdallah receiving congratulations from his goalkeeping partner. It was headed straight for the goalkeeper, but nonetheless, a much more solid back line. That's the way that the Somalians will want to be playing with as the corners rack up for the Congo. And we can clearly hear from the referee saying, if you don't stop now, it is a caution for both of you. As it is, she keeps her cards in her pocket, but the corner does come in from the Congo. It's a decently flighted ball this time, but Somalia can break. And despite it looking like a 50-50, there's protest from the captain, Lebo. Or rather, he is actually trying to get his team not to confront the referee. Dinida here, he was really racing through. Not much in it on second inspection, but certainly when you are going at pace, it can be quite a painful one on the bottom of the shin there. Manyongwi, the guilty party. Just a reminder that he is already in the book, so he can't afford to risk any more with the referee. Well, as it is, there are some substitutes lining up for the Congo. Changes will be coming soon.